For this project, you'll be needing a plastic bag that you may already have in your kitchen, and then some materials like fabric and lining as well. So you want to go ahead and snip the handles off and then the bottom off, and then you bring it out flatly. After you're done with that, find the midpoints, cut it out and use one of those for your pattern. Now, because I want the size of my pattern to be bigger than this bag, I'll be adding 4 inches to the upper part and then 4 inches to the lower part as well. At each side, you want to go ahead and add 1 inch seam allowance to both sides. When you're done folding into two, make sure you're getting the right center part, and then you cut the handle parts on fold. However, if you don't have enough fabric to cut it on fold, you can easily cut the way I do, because I have some pattern on my fabric and I want it to follow some specific direction. So that said, I never cut my handle parts on fold, but you can see in the lining part I demonstrate how you can cut it on fold. So when that is done, you want to go ahead and press it neatly. Also sew the handle part if you're not cutting it on fold. Place it down right side together and sew the handle part first. When you're done sewing, you want to go ahead and snip all of the 90-degree edge and then turn it inside out and top stitch. To make a space for your phones or your keys, you want to go ahead and cut a fabric 8 inches length by 6.5 inches, or just whatever you feel you want. Just cut it, press it, fold it inside out, and then place it on the right side of the main fabric. So pin it down and sew. So to neatly sew the sides, we want to do what we call sandwich method of sewing. You want to put it like the way I just fold it inside, and then I'll sew, and I'll do the same on the other side. When that is done, you want to go ahead and fold the handle part. Make sure you're folding the right side. I am folding the wrong side here just to show you, but you're folding the right side just the same way I fold the wrong side, and you are sewing at the midpoints. So when that is done, I'll just fold my two sides together and go ahead and sew it down. After that, I'll turn it inside out and ensure that the curved part of the handle is inside, and then I would ensure that it is also inside at the bottom side. I'll fold it, press it nicely, and I'll go ahead and sew, still with the curved part inside. So when I finish sewing that, I'll go ahead and trim it off, turn it inside out, and I'll also sew from the inside. This is just a way to keep the raw edges inside. It is called French seam. So I'll do that, turn it inside out, press it, and the bag is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please